Hello friends, Amanda with Happy Hoppas here. I am so excited to be sharing a new collaboration for Disney and JuJuBe. This is going to be a packing video. I just posted a first looks video, which I will leave that link down below, as well as my blog for print comparisons and up close shots of this collection. This collection is going to be releasing August 3rd. 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It is called It's a Mad, Mad World. It is to celebrate Alice in Wonderland's 70th anniversary. It is absolutely stunning. It is beautiful. So, JuJuBe was nice enough to send me 4 pieces from this collection. They sent me a Be Packed Plus, a Be Light Plus, a Be Set, and a Fuel Cell, and I am going to be packing them all up today for as if I was going to go to Disneyland with my kids. Not a full day trip, but we could probably have everything with us for this video. So we are going to pack up. So let's start with the Be Packed. Let's do the front pocket first, actually. So front pocket, I'm gonna put my keys in one of these mesh pockets. My keys are kind of big, so, okay, keys in there. And then I have 2 battery packs and a charge cord, just in case my phone dies and I need extra ones. Put that in there. Whew. Okay, there we go. Much easier when I can see it. All right, and then I have 3 masks, one for myself and each of my kids. I'm just gonna lay that flat in there. And then I have a reusable straw and a pen just in case. All right, and then my phone, I'm gonna put my phone up here. I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. It does fit in here. It is soft line, which I love. And then, let's see. What do I want to do? All right, I've got a container of sanitary wipes, just in case. I have a pack of wipes. Put that in there. I do have headphones for my son because sometimes it gets too loud and it's just too much for him. So I do bring his headphones when we go to any theme park. And then I have my tripod for taking pictures, which I love this because cast members are not allowed to touch our phones anymore. So this has come in really handy for taking pictures. I think in this front pocket on the front panel, I'm gonna put my sunglass case and some sunblock. So those are just gonna go in there. I'm not gonna zip those up. And then I'm gonna grab the small and medium pieces from the Be Set to help me organize. So for the small piece, I'm gonna use my old passes as if these were my credit cards. So I'm gonna put those in there. And then I'm also actually gonna put my hand sanitizer in here. And then something I kind of found cool, if you do that, and then you take the little clutch strap from the Be Set, the Be Packed has this little D-ring here, and you can put it through. Let's see. You can put it through here if you don't want to take your backpack on and off to get your credit cards or for sanitizer. You can attach them to a small Be Set piece. And there you go. Look at that. I kind of just thought of that and thought that was genius. So you don't have to keep taking it on and off. Everything is right there. Easy peasy. All right. For the purpose of this video, I will just have it inside my bag though. But I thought that was a cute little hack. I am gonna put a wristlet on it just so it's easier to grab. And then for my Medi pouch, I have hand lotion, a hairbrush. I have my medicine case. I have some floss, face sun stick, nail trimmers and lip balm, a hair tie and pinch relief, some Band-Aids, and a cleaning cloth just in case I get any stains on my bag and I need to clean it real quick. These come in very handy. All right, and that is it for that. It's gonna go inside the bee pat. Just gonna get tossed in there, and then I'm just gonna put my wallet in here as well. And I still have room for other things in there. I don't really feel like I need to. More room for souvenirs. I don't need to fill that up all the way. All right, and then I have a 24-ounce stainless steel water bottle. That's gonna go on the side. And then I have a 14-ounce kids water bottle that is also gonna go on this side. And it's perfect. All right, moving on. I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna set this down. Okay, moving on to the fuel cell. Fuel cell, love it. It is insulated, which I do love. I have a whisk-ware container. I've got yogurt covered strawberries. I have an orange in there. And then this one's empty, but I do like to keep it just in case the kids have leftovers. It has somewhere it can go. In there, same thing. I have pretzels in here, an orange, and then empty one on top. I have a ice pack, and that's gonna go back there. It is insulated, so it'll keep everything nice and cool. I have 2 bars for my kids. Those are just gonna go on the side. I've got, let's do these. I've got some fruit snacks that are totally healthy. I love those fruit snacks. And then I've got 2 apple sauces. And those are gonna go in there. And then I like this top pouch up here because I like to keep our utensils just in case we didn't grab any, or, you know, just reusable so we don't have to waste them. And then my energy drinks, because when you're in the parks all day, you're gonna need a little pick-me-up every once in a while. So that goes in there, zips so nicely. All right, and then last but not least, we have the Bee Light. So for the Bee Light, I am going to pack this for like extra jackets, something that I don't feel like I need to carry with me all day long. I can leave it in the stroller if I want to. But just to have it, just in case it gets cold. So I have my son's extra clothes, pair of shorts and shirt. These are like size 7-8. So you kind of have an idea of what size they are and how big this is. This is the large piece from the Bee set. And that's gonna go in there. Fits beautifully. And then I have 3 Spirit jerseys. I have an adult large, an adult extra small, and a child's large. And those are all gonna be our sweatshirts, and they're gonna go in here. And they're gonna fit perfectly in there, look at that. And then the large piece from the Bee set is gonna go in there as well. All zipped up and totally ready to go to Disneyland. So there you have it. All 4 pieces I used as if we were going to Disneyland. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Feel free to message me on Instagram at happyhoppas, happy.hoppas, H-A-P-A-S. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.